So for this video, we're going to talk about Acen, APL, PHA, VUL, and BSC. So let's take it one by one. This is Acen. So for Acen, we have right here, as you can see, it's seated right at the resistance. Nothing much has changed for Acen. It's up 0.77%. It closed at 7.81. But what's so interesting, it has a very, very large value turnover. So it's at the resistance, as you can see, second day today close to the 7.94 resistance level. So the possibility for it still of retracing is still there. So please watch out for the 7.94 level. It closed at 7.81. Again, failure to break 7.94. The next support is at 6.63. And the breakout, it transitions to 10.48, which is the next possible resistance. And again, nothing has changed. It's still pretty much moving in this consolidatory level with 7.94 as the resistance, 6.63 as the support, and then another support at the 5.78 mark. Next stock is APL. For APL, this is how it looks. So it's still also consolidating, no, consolidating from its lows after it started to drop from 0.44, breaking down from 0.25 until it hit the support at the 0.17 mark. So please do note 0.17 is your support, your resistance is 0.255. You have your 20-day moving average hovering at the 0.255 level, and you have your support at the 0.17 level. So current consolidation is at the 50-day moving average at 0.17, and then the 20-day moving average at the 0.25 mark. So for today, it got blocked by the 0.255 resistance and the 20-day moving average. So thing to watch out for tomorrow is if it has a shot to break out from this level, because if it does, then it opens this up. Please do note that APL closed with a very, very strong value turnover of 908 million pesos and a gain of 17%. If it breaks through that, then you could possibly see a shot that it could possibly move and hit and go to the 0.44 level. Although MACD as of now is not showing us a change in direction, APL's RSI is still currently oversold. But the main thing that I would like you guys to focus on is just primarily the range where it's moving from 0.17 to 0.255. So again, since January 25, APL has just been moving and consolidating at almost the same range. Next, let's look at PHA. And please do note now, if you're new to this and you're watching me for the first time, these are never stock picks. This is not me telling you what stock to buy, sell, or hold or avoid. It's not me saying that. It's just me sharing my ideas, my strategies on how I analyze stocks with the goal of you guys get to see that, hey, technical analysis works, but please never ever buy, sell, hold, or avoid the stock just because you see me do it here or you hear a friend talk about it also or you hear someone on YouTube do it. It's your money, it's your responsibility. This video is for informational purposes. Study the stocks on your own at your own time for you to make a decision. Contact also your financial advisor so you get to analyze it properly. But I really do hope that this video gives you enough content and value. Now, for PHA, this is its current progression. It's also sideways, 1.56 support level, bounce from this level, breakout from the 20-day moving average. Then you have a large push up, closing it at the 2.94 level. And as it closed at the 2.94 level, uh, what's so interesting about that, it was up 13.08% with a value turnover 419 million, which is very, very strong as well. So it's headed right now to the resistance at the 3.2 level. So for those who were able to position, this could be an area also, a good area to think about. Am I going to take profits somewhere above around 95% or to around 110%? So at this point right now, for those who pick it up, who pick the stock up at the support, somewhere around the 1.56 level, your possible gain at the lowest right now is around 100% to as high as 112 to 13% if you sell as close as possible to the resistance at the 3.24 mark. Just want to note this MACD is still currently bullish as of now, but for the short term, it's currently consolidating. 3.24 resistance, 1.56 pesos support level. Next is I want to talk about VUL. VUL for the day also, if you like, if you want to see it. VUL closed at 2.84 pesos. It's up 9.65%. Value turnover is 172. And if you look at the Bollinger Bands, it's showing you momentum upward. Uh, Whatever you're seeing also right now is from the breakout of the 2.06 resistance. So for those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, please do note that this particular move from the Bollinger Band is in our scenario one of our Bollinger Band trade setup, so you can reference that from your notes. So this is specifically that particular move that it's showing me that there's also momentum that's pushing it. The 20-day moving average is confirming everything. Then you also have MACD confirming that there's also momentum. So whatever you're seeing right here, it's currently confirmed by the Bollinger Bands. It's confirmed by the 20-day moving average. It's confirmed by MACD. It's also confirmed and predicated from the breakout of the 2.06 level. Looking at it though from a support and resistance perspective, if I zoom out here, you will see that next possible resistances, I'll try to peg it. One, you could put it right here. Then another one, you could put it somewhere around this area. So if you zoom in again, it's right smack already at the resistance that if you zoom out and you check the last resistance, you will see that, this is a resistance that it was attacking around 2018. So this is more than I think almost a 2 year resistance already that it has not broken out from. So if it breaks past that, then we could possibly see, no, at least from for those who know our support resistance channeling setup, possible area for it to go if it goes above 2.9 is if 2.9 solidifies as a level of support, your next possible resistance should be around the 3.4, 3.5 level based on that particular principle derived from chart patterns. Lastly, I want to talk about BSC. For those who want to attend our technical analysis sessions, which is happening at the end of February, the link is in the description below. Everything will be online. Everything will be live and online. It will be 2 weekends, Saturday, Sunday, half-day sessions that I hope will help you understand candlesticks, support and resistance, trend lines, moving averages, MACD, ADX, RXI, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci analysis, and everything else in between. So links are in the description below. And for those who want to know more about me, I have videos on YouTube and I have books, all of which you can see in the description down below. And you can send me a message if you guys have any questions via Instagram. You can send a DM via Instagram, or you can send a DM also via our Patreon account. And lastly, I started to do TikTok videos for those who want to watch that. It's at Marvin Germo. Anyways, you have BSC currently at the resistance right now, and BSC has been in the resistance since January 22. It's currently consolidating at this level. Main resistance is 1.1, very, very short. Support is at 0.979. The stronger support is at 0.695, which is where the 50-day moving average is. So please do note and write this down that if it stays above the 1.1 level, the possible trajectories it could go to the 1.9 resistance. So current resistance right now is 1.1. Current support right now is a 0.695 level. If it goes above the 1.1 mark, the possible trajectory or the possible push is it could go to the 1.9 level. So again, sideways progression, consolidation. PSC has been in the resistance since January 25, and it's been evident also that selling is pretty much happening at that particular level. So yun, I hope you guys are enjoying. I have to get back watching some of my US stocks and also Bitcoin, and I'm gonna, I guess, go to sleep now. And it's a bit late, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that this is something that helped you. And I just enjoy it. It's something that gets tiring a bit, but you always revert to something that you love to do. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.